Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Do you want to manage your active status on LinkedIn? It's easy with this step-by-step guide. So let's start. Open your LinkedIn application on your device. By opening the application on the very first page in the upper left corner of the screen, click on your profile picture. Click on your profile picture to scroll down to the settings option and click on it. When a new page opens, scroll down to the visibility option in the drop-down menu and click on it. Also on the new page, in the drop-down menu, scroll down to the Manage Active Status option and click on it. By opening the Active Status Manager, you will have several options offered, such as No One, which means that your status will be turned off and that no one can see your status. Your connections only where only your followers can see your active status. And All LinkedIn Members, which is an option where all LinkedIn members can see your active status. Now all you have to do is choose your status and that's it. Now your active status on LinkedIn is successfully managed. Note that you can always return to these settings to make changes in the future. If you liked the video, please like us, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks about LinkedIn. Thanks for watching.